Assalamu alaikum. This is Mas Khan from Mashriq.tv. Today our story is about postal and e-voting gaining popularity globally. After watching America's postal balloting, many other countries got the idea of postal balloting and e-voting. And to follow this step, the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Imran Khan, Tuesday said the government had decided to introduce electronic voting in the general election and also move a bill in the parliament to amend the current mode of secret ballot in the Senate polls to show of hands, in a bid to ensure fair and transparent polls. Talking to the media after meeting with the Electoral Reforms Committee, the Prime Minister said the bill was aimed at discouraging vote selling in the upcoming Senate elections. Imran Khan said the constitutional amendment required a two-third majority. It would expose which political party would support or oppose the corrupt practices, he added. The Prime Minister said the move was unprecedented on the part of a sitting government and recalled that the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf in 2018 had expelled its 20 lawmakers for selling their votes. On the electronic voting, he said consultations with the Election Commission were underway to devise a system based on the data provided by the National Database and Registration Authority. Besides ensuring transparency, he said the computerized system would also benefit the 9 million Pakistanis living abroad to conveniently poll their votes online. On the other hand, some senior government officials from different countries were of the opinion that they are also studying about ballot posting and e-voting. They all said that it would definitely reduce the cost of the election process. Some officials were also of the opinion that through digital voting, fraud can also take place, and that there should be a process of cross-checking or double-checking to make sure that the vote went to the right or desired place. Time will tell how digital technology will affect our lives, but one thing is for certain, and that US President Donald Trump lost the elections in the first ever posting of ballots. The American people are very happy with the results, and a lot many more voted in this election than the previous ones. The whole concept is new for every country. It depends on the countries how they want to utilize this source or facility. It can be used as a positive way or in a negative way. Positive means that the government in their respective countries ensure that there is no fraud being committed. Everyone knows that in digital world, whoever has the access to data actually makes the decisions. And to ensure that things are done in fair way, then those organizations must have security, legal standing and authority. This whole world is transforming digitally. Let's hope it transforms for the good and better. Let us hope that decision and opinion of the people is given a chance to win. Let us hope that through digitalization we bring humans closer so they can understand and respect each other more. This is it for now. Thank you for watching Mashriq.tv. If you have any queries, you can email us at info@mashriq.tv.